Founded in 1987 during Malaysia's palm oil boom, PMI quickly became a trusted leader in providing solid liquid filtration solutions and is now one of the world's top manufacturers, renowned for quality and integrity. Built on strong German heritage and a legacy of nearly 4 decades of trusted business relationships, PMI Technology is poised to lead the way, driving innovation and excellence into the future, delivering promises with leading-edge solutions. At the heart of PMI's dynamic operations, every promise made begins to be delivered. In these advanced production facilities, innovation meets high performance. Right from the very start, design and production teams work as one. We continuously expand the limits of our facilities and capabilities, delivering groundbreaking solutions that drive success for our customers all over the world. PMI seamlessly merges craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology for a flawless finish. Quality isn't just a standard, it's at the core of everything we do. It's in every detail, every innovation, and every solution we deliver. Our dedication to the greatest care is evident. We ensure maximum output and efficiency at every step for our customers. Our filters undergo a series of rigorous tests designed to guarantee durability, reliability, and optimal performance in daily operations. Finally, yet another world-class PMI filter is meticulously packed and shipped, ready to serve yet another satisfied customer. But it doesn't stop there. At PMI, earning trust is a long-term commitment. Our responsive after-sales team ensures customers always receive the attention and support they deserve. PMI Technology is looking ahead to meet the challenges of the future, continually improving and upgrading production facilities to cater for new growth and new markets. Continually pioneering and providing effective solutions that will enhance productivity and filtration efficacy around the world. Delivering on its promises and earning the trust of its clients worldwide every day. Delivering promises with leading-edge solutions.